Everyone is always asking me in my comments how to sleep with your curls at night. And I have answered it a million times, but no one seems to listen. So maybe if I actually just walk you through my 3-step foolproof method, you'll finally be able to recreate this at home. Because while this may seem simple, if you do one step wrong, it can leave you waking up with horrible wonky curls. So usually why your curls look bad in the morning is either because you're just sleeping on a pillowcase with them down and like not doing really anything to them, you're just sleeping. Or maybe you have heard of something called a pineapple and you think that you're doing a pineapple, but your pineapple is here and not here. Or there's just like too much friction. Maybe you're using a cotton pillowcase or not using the right type of bonnet. And as you're tossing and turning, there's just friction occurring on your hair, which is gonna cause frizz and lack of definition when you wake up. So that's why this video is definitely going to help you out. Now, yes, of course, this is not one size fits all, because if you have super short hair, this is probably not gonna work for you, but I will do my best to kind of incorporate everyone's needs. So this is what I do. So step one is to pineapple your curls. If you're not familiar with what a pineapple is, it's basically when you put your hair at the very top of your head, kind of it looks like the top of a pineapple, but this is where a lot of people go wrong because they hear me or other people say that, and then they will get their hair and they will put it at the top of their head, right? Wrong. This is not the top of your head. When we say pineapple, we mean like unicorn. Honestly, that's what we need to call it, is a unicorn, not a pineapple. I think that will solve a lot of problems. When I do this, if I have bangs, I will keep my bangs out. And I'll show you what I do with them in a little bit. But if you do not have like short bangs like this, you are going to just put them into the pineapple. So I'm putting the pineapple super in front of my hair, and then I'm getting a scrunchie. I actually prefer to do this with a tighter scrunchie so I can only go around it one time, because a lot of the scrunchies nowadays are super loose and then I have to go around it multiple times, but just one time is ideal. Now, if you have short hair and when you put it up like this, it just falls out. There's a few things you can do. Number one, you can just skip this step completely and go right to step two. Number two, you could do what I call the double pineapple and do this with the top half of your head, and on the bottom of half of your head, just put that in a satin scrunchie as well, looping it around 1-2 times if you need to. So for step number two, I feel that a bonnet is absolutely essential. And I swear the reason why your curls look wonky the next day is because you are not using them. They're super cheap on Amazon. Just make sure you get one that's satin or silk. And it is kind of like Cinderella's shoe. Like, you know, I might use one, you might try it and hate it. It's very much, not even like Cinderella's shoe, it's like Harry Potter's wand. When he like finds the wand and it's like his perfect wand, like that kind of is a bonnet, like honestly. So you might have to test a few before you find your perfect fit. But a lot of times people won't use bonnets because it falls off. So they do have bonnets that like have an adjustable strap, or sometimes people don't use bonnets because they feel like it looks ugly, which can't really help you there. Yeah, it's not the cutest, but my husband personally likes the bonnet because then my hair is not in his face. So you can twist it as that. And if he likes your bonnet, he's a keeper. Also, if you have super long hair, like even my hair is starting to get kind of to that point where it's a little too long, you can have the options of taking these little clips and kind of clipping the hair. So it sort of almost forms like some type of a bun thing, but this will also help if you have longer hair. Like mine's getting pretty dang long. I'm impressed with myself. So this last step is going to actually ensure that your curls look good when you wake up. I recently found this new product. It's the NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Dream Good Night Anti-Static Pillow Mist. Honestly, sounds pretty cool to me, right? Obviously, the name caught my attention. What is this miracle product? So not only can I spray it on, like I have a nice satin pillow, so not only can I spray it, and I will spray it there, it is actually also good for your skincare. It's like aromatherapy. It has like a night dream tea fragrance that actually helps put you to sleep. But if you want to spray it on your pillow, you just spray it on your pillow like I just did. Wait till it dries, it takes like 30 seconds, and then go to sleep, and that will also keep your face nice and refreshed, which is always super helpful. But what I like to do is spray it inside of my bonnet. Again, this will really, really help the static, and it'll also help moisturize my curls at night to avoid frizz. So I'm just spraying that inside my bonnet, and then I'll let it settle a little bit. If you're unfamiliar with NatureLab Tokyo in general, I really like a lot of their products. They're very unique products, I find. Like they have this other one I love called their Perfect Refresher Spray, and that helps your curls after you work out. It'll help them not be sweaty anymore. Like it soaks up the sweat. It's so good. They have like really just cool cutting edge technology. But this fragrance of this is so nice. It's just very tea-like, very lavender-like. And it actually helps enhance sleep quality with their Camilla leaf extract. But what's so cool about it is it's anti-static, so it'll help tame flyaways. So if you toss and turn and stuff, it's not going to separate your curls. It's gonna help them stay combined. So it literally has relaxation benefits with hair care benefits. So it's literally perfect. And plus it makes you feel like $1,000,000 because like you feel like that girl because you literally go to sleep smelling good, and who does not want that? So now I'm just gently putting that over my head. If you have bangs, you're just gonna tuck the bangs in. I don't do anything special with them except for just tuck them in. This particular bonnet I got on TikTok shop. I don't really love it. I would like it if it didn't fall in front of my face, but besides that, it's cute. And then I'll just tie that in a cute little bow. So to recap, here's my full nighttime routine. Pineapple your curls super high with a satin scrunchie. If you have long hair, option to clip it. Cover it with a silk or satin bonnet. Mist the pillow and the bonnet with the NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Dream Good Night Anti-Static Pillow Mist, which will give you nice, smooth, static-free, soft curls. Go to sleep and wake up with literally perfect curls. I've been doing this forever, and everyone always comments, how are your curls so perfect in the morning? This is how. Do all these steps and I promise you will wake up with a lot more defined, nicer curls just ready to go for the day. If you tried this routine, let me know how it is in the comments for you. If you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, you can try this product by NatureLab Tokyo inside of your Curls Monthly mailer. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. Sweet dreams and sweet curls.